In this lesson, we will focus on a fundamental yet very practical function in Excel 365, finding the highest and lowest values in a dataset using the min and max functions. These are essential tools for quickly analyzing numerical data such as test scores, prices, or any list of values where identifying the range is important. Let's begin by understanding the max function. In our example, we have a table of student names along with their scores. To find the highest score in this list, we use the max function. By entering the formula mmax followed by selecting the range of cells containing the scores, Excel immediately returns the highest value. For instance, in this case, the highest score displayed is 9.8. This allows you to instantly identify the top performing student or the peak value in any given range. Similarly, to find the lowest value, we use the min function. The process is the same. You write min and then select the same range of cells or data that contains the values you are analyzing. Once you close the parentheses and press enter, Excel shows you the smallest number in that range. In our example, it returns 7, indicating the lowest score. Additionally, Excel allows you to drag the fill handle to apply the same formula across multiple cells. This helps automatically calculate the max or min for corresponding rows or segments if you are working with a more extensive dataset. To sum up, using min and max functions in Excel 365 is a fast and effective way to extract the smallest and largest values in a range of data. Mastering this basic function is a key step in improving your spreadsheet analysis skills.